Today we're going to learn how to create multiple outlines on text. So first thing I'll do is select Artistic Text Tool, and I'm using the Cancun font. You can use whatever font you want. And I'm just going to write a word. I'll write the word minute there. And let's enlarge it. Make it look better. There we go. Make this where you can see a little more. Alright. What we want to do is we have that selected. We want to select FX. We want to go to outline. We want to highlight it, make sure it's checked. And you'll notice right now we have black color selected. We're going to increase the radius. Watch. See how big that radius gets? So I'm going to bring it back down. Probably to about right there. And we're going to close that. And just to let you know, as far as this goes right here, you can use any color text, but I find that white is usually a good one that causes the outlines to pop. So what we're going to do in order to create another colored outline on it while still keeping our black outline, we're going to group this text layer to itself. You can do that two ways. You can right click and you can group, which is what I'm going to do, or you can Control or Command G. So we now have a group. We have the group selected. We are going to go back down here and select the FX. We'll go back to outline. We'll check it, highlight it. We're going to change the color. We're going to change this color to red. And then we're going to increase the radius. We're going to exaggerate it so you can see it. See? It doesn't override our black outline, but it maintains the red outline. And it does this because on a layer, you can only outline one time per layer. But if you group the layer, like we did, group it to itself, it creates another layer to put another outline on without actually messing up the first outline or overwriting the first outline. So what we're going to do is we want to group the group. Let's close this. We're going to group this group one more time. We're going to do another color. You can do this as many times as you want. And we're going to Control G this time. And you'll notice we're grouping the group to itself is what we're doing here. So with that selected, I'm going to select FX again. And I'm going to highlight, click, make sure that's on. And I'm going to give me another color. Let's just make this green. And we're going to increase the radius. Again, I'm going to exaggerate it first. See? And then we're going to bring it back down to about where I want it. And we're going to close it. And now we have 3 different colored outlines on this text. Like I said, you can do it as many times as you want. You just have to group it each time. If this has helped you, how about leaving a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Have a good day.